Hey guys, thank you for watching the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you how to stop sharing your location on your iPhone without anyone knowing. We're showing you the simple and the easiest way to do it. And also, if you completely want to stop sharing your location with anyone, you want to follow this step later part of the video. So let's get started. So in order to stop sharing your location, the quickest and the easiest way is pulling down the control menu here, putting your phone on airplane mode, which will shut off signals from your iPhone such as cellular and Wi-Fi connectivity, which means any network connectivity is cut off so that your location won't be shared with them. And you can also do that by going to your setting, and there's also the airplane mode option. Just have it turned on. Now there is a downside to this. If you do turn it off, it will stop sharing your last location and then any location after that. But when you do that, you won't be able to receive calls, texts, or even connect to the internet because, of course, you're in airplane mode. That cuts off service from your iPhone. And whenever you're ready to turn on your location or start sharing again, you will just simply turn that off and your location will be shared again. Now, the other way to go ahead and turn off or stopping location services on your iPhone is going to your setting of your iPhone, then going to privacy and security, and then under location services, you'll see here there's an option to share my location. Now, if you click on that, if you don't want to share your location and just don't want to share at all with anyone, you can simply turn that off. And as you can see here, if you do that, location with your sharing with your family or friends in messages, Find My, and any personal requests using, it will stop when you turn that off, and they will not be able to see your location. Now, this will let them know you're not sharing your location, but it's more of a permanent way to stop sharing your location at all with anyone. Finally, another thing you can do is if you want to individually stop sharing your location for a contact or someone, you can go into your messages, find that contact if you send a message to them, or go ahead and send a message to them, and then you'll see your name up, their name up top. You'll click on that, and there should be an option to stop sharing location if you are sharing your location. Of course, I'm not sharing my location, but if there is, there will be a button here that says stop sharing location to that person, of course, instead of stopping it for everyone. So that's how you stop sharing your location on your iPhone on the latest iOS version. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.